All right, let's take a look at this question. Evaluate the integral of 1 all over x ln x dx. We are asked to evaluate this integral. Okay, now let's go. Please pay attention and follow gradually. Here, in some cases, we may decide to call everything in our denominator a letter, but not in this case. We are only going to say let u equal to ln x. We are going to call only ln x a letter. Okay, so here we'll say let u equal to ln x. Now we find the derivative of this u with respect to x, which is going to give us the u dx is equal to 1 all over x. Now let's cross multiply. In doing so, we are going to have x du is equal to dx. Okay, that means in place of dx, we are going to replace it with x du. Now let's go. We have in our function the integral of 1 all over x ln x dx. Now let's go. Let's substitute properly now. That means we are going to have the integral of 1 all over x. In place of ln x, now we have u. And then in place of the x, we write x du. Now, you notice that there is x in a numerator and there is x in a denominator. Now, the x will strike out. We are going to be left with the integral of 1 all over u du. Now, let's integrate properly. That means we are going to have ln u plus c. Okay? But you recall that u is equal to ln x. Now, let's replace it back. That means we're going to have ln of ln x plus c. Hello. So the integral of 1 all over x ln x dx is equal to ln of ln x plus c. All right. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay blessed.